Do you want to discover the city that is highly independent and urbanized, has famous destinations, and has the third oldest charter in the Philippines? Let's explore Zamboanga Sibugay. Santa Cruz Island. We can see that their sand is colored by red organ pipe coral that has been ground and combined with white sand over eons of ocean erosions. Pandilusan Island is located in Zamboanga, Sibugay's Payao municipality. It makes sense that people would come here given how cool and refreshing the water is. It will remind you of talcum powder because the sand is so white. At high tide, the island is covered in water. Buluan Island, wonderful beach with fine sand and a breathtaking sunset view. Very clean seas with little fish visible close to the coast. Island provides life jacket rentals and kayaking.
I get fucked up just 'cause I'm scared. Love's just another drug I have grown a victim to. So what do I do? Oh, what do I do?
After taking in the breathtaking views from the many tourist destinations, let's visit their vibrant and talented festivals.
Oh, how I'm through. And by the time she